In this video, I will look at the massive differences between Revo Uninstaller and CCleaner so you can choose the best tool for your computer. When you delete software, standard tools often leave behind hidden folders and registry keys that slow down your system. Revo Uninstaller excels at solving this specific problem because it runs a deep scan after every removal to wipe out every ghost file left behind. This makes it the champion for cleaning up stubborn programs or broken updates that just will not leave. On the other hand, CCleaner is a broader maintenance tool designed for daily optimization. It focuses on clearing browser caches, emptying temporary folders, and fixing general registry errors to keep things snappy. While it can uninstall apps, it lacks the surgical precision that Revo provides. If you want a clean slate after removing software, Revo is the clear winner for you. However, if you need an easy all-in-one utility to manage your junk files, CCleaner is a solid choice.